Today, we're going to draw and color some super fun and easy circle drawings. Draw a circle smaller one inside a dot and add zigzag line. Color the top pink and the bottom yellow. It's a donuts. Draw a spiral inside a circle for the snail's shell. Then draw the snail's head and body attached to the shell. Use green for the shell and orange for the body. First, add a leafy crown on top. Sketch small oval shapes inside to show the seeds. Now color it red and orange for the details. Draw the head of ladybug. Now draw a circle. Add a line in the middle. And small black dots on both sides. Fill the black color on dots. Draw two small ears. Now add a fuzzy mane all around the circle. Inside it, draw two little eyes, a nose, and a smile. Use orange for the mane and peach color for the face. Let's draw a clock. Now draw another circle. Use yellow for the clock face and blue for the frame. numbers like a clock inside. Draw the hour and minutes hands. Add the turtle's head. Now divide it into hexagon-like patterns. Add the turtle's legs and tail. Use dark green color to the outline and green to color the turtle. Small beak and feathery details. Make round eyes with small black pupils. Use orange, brown, and black colors. First, draw a circle, then divide it into curved sections like slices of a pie. Color each section with bright colors like blue, purple, yellow, and green to make a colorful beach ball. Add a stand to the side of globe. Then sketch continents inside like on a globe. Color the continents green, ocean blue, and the stand purple. Draw a circle for the monkey's head and two smaller ones on the side for ears. Draw eyes, nose, and a small smile. Use light brown and dark brown to color it in. Now let's draw a happy smiley face. Just a circle, 2 dots for eyes, and a cute little smile. Color it bright yellow.